Hello, everyone. I'm Kim.
And I'm Cassidy.
And we are so excited to introduce you today to our newest quilt here at Kimberbell. It's called Enchanted Winter. Let's take a look at that. Cassidy, tell us a little bit about this quilt.
I am so excited to show you guys this quilt. I think you're going to love stitching it out as much as we love designing it. There are so many fun details.
Yeah, it's about a 40 by 40 size, and you're going to have all kinds of techniques utilized in such a quilt like this. But Cassidy, before we go into those techniques, tell us a little bit more about the inspiration behind this design.
So what I love about the inspiration behind this design is that there was so much. And our artist did such a beautiful job of blending it all and making it look cohesive.
She sure did. And the coloring of it is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
Absolutely. And there was a lot of thought that went into that coloring.
Tell us a little bit about that.
So we did a lot of interviews with just our Bellas online. We took surveys. We also went through and we looked at what quilts had been successful with their color schemes.
Oh.
And then in the final phases, we actually had 3 different versions of this quilt. And I went around Kimberbell and took a panel from...
I remember that. Yeah. You know, the shades of the purples and blues, it definitely makes you feel like winter and coziness and such. And so I think we landed on a really good colorway for this. Now, in addition to those beautiful colors, of course, are the amazing techniques that are involved in this. Tell us a little bit about some of your favorite techniques on the quilt.
So we're going to have some pieced blocks in the corners. We also have some lace that we do in the machine to connect those cute little mittens.
I could not believe that. That was such a darling detail. Tell us about some of the other techniques.
So we're going to be using seed beads. So some hand sewing is going to happen just to polish those off. We're also going to be using lots of applique. You're going to see flocked vinyl as well as some clear vinyl. I love how it adds a shine over those skates.
Yes. Oh my goodness, the skates. Absolutely. Now, another thing that I love about this quilt, you kind of mentioned it earlier, was the little extra details like those beads and such. And of course, those are going to come in the optional embellishment kit. But I'm telling you, you're going to want the embellishment kit because you had some specialty buttons also made for this. Tell us a little bit about those.
Yeah, so we pulled these buttons directly from the artwork. We had them custom sized so that they will fit exactly where they need to go. If you want that ice cream cone to pop,
the ice cream cone is too cute, my friends. That is what the little penguin is holding on to there. And that alone just makes me want to have the embellishment kit. But there's so much more included in it. What are some of the other specialty materials that you're going to find in that?
So you can finish each hat with a pom-pom. I also love that the embellishment offers more texture to your quilt.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah.
You can see it over the knit material on the scarves.
Oh, even those trees. What did you use for those tree appliques?
So 2 different kinds of appliques that we use here. One is a flocked vinyl, and then the other one is a micro velvet.
Oh, wow. Those are gorgeous.
It's really fun to see in person.
You know, I think you nailed it right there because, you know, I've seen pictures of this. Of course, I saw the renderings as we went along. But not until the final quilt was pulled together, put up on the wall, quilting and everything, I was absolutely blown away by how gorgeous it really is. So, Cassidy, do you have a favorite block in there?
Oh, I would have to say my favorite one is the heart block.
Oh, let's take a look.
I was talking with Cassie, and the other Cassie at Kimberbell, and she was like,
yeah,
those flowers just look edible.
Yeah. For me, I am loving that sweet little deer because I can see it, of course, on the quilt, but I can picture it on like a little girl's sweatshirt or a blue jacket or something like that. So in addition to all the darling details, the appliques, the embellishments, all the things, one thing that also sets this quilt apart from anything else is the gorgeous background quilting. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Holy cow. Our quilting team is incredible.
They are.
They did such a good job. It was such a fun blend where we've got cabins and pine trees, those ice skate lines that we can see that kind of remind you of like a lake or snow. And another thing that was kind of fun that I wasn't expecting to come out of the background quilting was we had some floral designs that actually work really well with the winter themed quilt.
Sure.
We had a few floral designs in the design. You can see the tundra rose block in the far corner.
Gorgeous.
And I love how they brought those florals out without competing with the vibe of the quilt.
Oh, yeah.
It all flows really well.
Of course, background quilting at Kimberbell is always an optional item that you can purchase separately. But if you're looking for that background quilting specifically designed for this, or you can use those designs on so many other places as well, you're going to find that at kimberbell.com. So if someone wants to make their quilt, well, just like the one behind us, are there fabric kits or thread kits also available?
This comes with its own custom fabric kit and thread kit that will help your whole design flow together smoothly with all the different colors we have going on.
Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I can't wait to personally make this. I know you're going to be making one for your home as well. And of course, if you're looking to make one, we want to see your images. You can post them over on the Kimberbell Facebook page, as always. Well, I think that's about it.
No, I think we're good.
Okay, so that is Enchanted Winter by Kimberbell. This is for the embroidery machine. We can't wait to see what you do. Of course, keep doing all the things that you love and keep experiencing the joy of creativity. Bye-bye.
Thank you.